Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Render. In today's video, I would like to show you once again this formation of this up channel that is formed after the breakout from this down channel. You can see on this daily time frame chart, the price is moving inside this up channel. And on a weekly time frame chart, we have already broken out a very big down channel, and you can see that it started a very massive rally. And by the way, from this though, when it was dropped down here in the month of June 2022, we had a long spike here up till this high. So far, it has rallied almost 1,827%. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal that I shared on 9th of November 2023 with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 111% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for render that I shared in the month of November 2023 with my members. And you can see that I shared on 9th of November, and this move was formed with Bitcoin pair. It was getting completed with Bitcoin pair on a daily time frame chart. And this was the complete trade setup. You can see this was the buying range, and this was the sell target zone, and below 590.0000590 Bitcoins was our stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price sign first dropped down, and after entering the buying zone, it started a very massive reversal. And so far, it has pumped almost 111%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signal for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of render. And first of all, I would like to show you this daily time frame chart. And previously, you can see that for several days, it has been moving inside this long-term, quite long down channel. And after the breakout, I was telling you that the target can be here at the top of the channel, approximately at $2.95 or $3. And you can see that the price line has rallied beyond that target up to $5.27. And you can see that it is tucked inside in another up channel. If the price line breaks it down, then the target for this breakdown can be here at the bottom of the channel. That will be approximately at $1.80. And in my point of view, it will be difficult for the price to break down this support of $2.95. Therefore, in case of breaking down, we can test this support of $2.95, and then the price can have another bounce from there. However, if the price breaks out the resistance of this up channel, then in case of breaking out resistance, by the way, it depends from where it will break it out. For example, I'm expecting that this time price end can read the resistance somewhere here where we have this long-term resistance of $6.50. And if the price end breaks out from here, then the target to the upside can be here. That will be approximately at $9.89. And in that situation, we can easily break out this quite long-term resistance of $6.50 as well. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $6.50 level has been previously working as a resistance here. And after the rejection, the price has dropped down. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this big down channel, and this breakout is happened on the 7 days time frame chart. And on this chart, the target for this breakout can be here at the top of the channel. That will be between $8 to $10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.